Hey, it's Jocelyn, and I'm so happy you're here right now. I know you get invited to tons of trainings all the time, but here's the thing. Most of those trainings are not going to give you implementable steps that will actually move the needle when it comes to paying for college. So that's my goal here. My goal is to give you 100% actionable step-by-step guidance on something that really should be top priority for all families going into the college process. And that is securing debt-free money to cover the bill, specifically by securing scholarships. And so that's what I'm going to teach you. So I'm going to show you my favorite tricks on finding legitimate scholarships with less competition. And no, this doesn't mean sending you to fastweb.com and signing up for a bunch of spam. This involves my 6-step system that I use to get over 6 figures in scholarships and graduate debt-free, and that we've taught thousands of families all over the country on how to use it to do exactly that as well. So I hope to see you there. And if you have any questions, make sure you bring those too. But we're gonna go ahead and get into those steps that you can start working towards a debt-free education with your student. I hope to see you there.